How to turn off location services and push notifications to prolong battery in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option privacy and security. Now click on privacy and security and then click on location and services. Now click on location services. If you want to turn off your location services, then simply turn this button off. After turning off location services, then go back to the main page of your settings and push notifications. Now click on notifications and here you can see the apps list. Now open an app you want to turn off notifications. Now simply click on allow notifications and it will turn off. After turn off location services and push notifications, it will prolong your battery. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.